orders, and they're after a pretty level break except for Starway, who dwell a bit, but highest bidder is the first to go on from Turnabos. Then comes St. Jonathan on the far side with Wit. Final Straw, then comes Brawfing, and in the early stages the favourite, that is Nureyev, is absolutely stone last, so they've gone a furlong. His highest bidder in the lead from St. Jonathan on the far side, Turnabos. Then comes Final Straw, world leader up with the leaders, and still at the rear of the field is Night Alert and finally Nureyev, and so they're coming now towards the 5 furlong marker. Highest bidder is still the leader from St. Jonathan, Turnabos. Then comes Final Straw, and just behind Final Straw is world leader, and still the last two is Night Alert and Nureyev now going up through the field. He's about in the middle of the pack. With that order, it's back to Rawley Guildford.
Yes, Philippe Paquet is making a bit of a move now on Nureyev, but it's still the highest bidder who's made most of the running so far out in front. St. Jonathan very close in second, world leader coming strongly on the outside third. Right there with them two are both Turnabos and Final Straw. As they pass halfway in the 2,000 guineas, and it's still highest bidder out in front. Turnabos is second, Torfan and St. Jonathan are the next two. Then comes Known Fact, followed by Wid and Brawfing as they pass the 3 furlong marker, and still a pretty open looking guineas. Nureyev is starting a super looking run on the outside. Look at that white blaze, he's really motoring now as they pass the bushes and go down into the dip, and it's now Nureyev who's gone storming into the lead. Nureyev from Torfan and Known Fact. Night Alert is coming with a late run, so is Starway and Swift Image, but it's the favourite Nureyev being pressed now by Known Fact on the near side. Not a lot between these two. Known Fact in fact is getting up, and Posse is third, and it's Known Fact and Nureyev together. Nureyev just going on again, racing up towards line. Nureyev just wins the guineas. Known Fact second, Posse third, 4 Night Alert, 5 Starway, 6 goes Swift Image, then Turnabos, and highest bidder followed in by Final Call. Last in the end was world leader.